So guys, I'll be showing you the process on how to replace the broken screen, and I will give you some points on what you should think or what you should know about before replacing the LCD. Hi guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. It's Tutor right here, and today I'll be showing you how to replace a broken LCD of a laptop. So what I have here is an Acer laptop that is an Acer Aspire, and it has a 14-inch 30 pins LCD. So guys, I'll be showing you the process on how to replace the broken screen, and I will give you some points on what you should think or what you should know about before replacing the LCD. So guys, let's start with the 30 pin or 40 pin connector on your LCD. So for this type of laptop, I have a 30 pin connector. So that means that this laptop needs the exact 30 pin LCD replacement. And also the size of this LCD is 14 inches. So we should be very specific with that, because there are also LCDs which are 40 pins, and it is not compatible with the laptop having 30 pin connectors. So another thing is that you should also take note of the resolution that is indicated with the laptop that we have, and also for the replacement that we will buy. So what I have here is that I bought online from Shopee. So I bought a replacement LCD for my laptop, and I tried to review first the specifications of the LCD before I place it on order, so that it will be compatible and I can assure that the LCD replacement will work and which should be compatible with the current laptop that I have. So I'll be showing you the procedure right here. And before that, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for you to be updated for the next videos that we'll have in the future. And what I'm doing here is that I'm teaching you tips so that you will be able to understand and to know how to work with replacing your laptop screens or any troubleshooting procedures with your printers if you do have at home or at school or at office. So here we go guys. Take note that it is important for us to record the unboxing process. This will help us in case there are physical damage on the LCD we bought online. Please bear in mind that there are sensitive parts in this package. Be very extra careful. Now that we see that there is no any physical damage on the replacement LCD, let us proceed to remove the broken LCD from the laptop. Watch carefully on how the LCD is being removed from the laptop. Please take note that there are no screws to unsnap this cover. At this point, use a screwdriver to remove the LCD from the frame. Take note that there are 4 screws attaching the LCD to the frame. Now, gently detach the LCD from the frame and flip it towards you. At this point, disconnect the 30-pin connector from the LCD carefully. Visually check for any possible dirt. Now, it's time to connect the replacement LCD. Make sure to remove the replacement LCD from its plastic packaging. Now, place the replacement LCD properly and connect its 30-pin connector. Don't forget to set the tape properly for additional protection. Now, install the new replacement LCD and screw it in place. Again, please always be careful as it is very sensitive. Take note that there are guides beside each screw to set the LCD properly. Make sure to secure the LCD properly to avoid dislocation. Now you can power on the laptop and see if the screen displays properly. There you have it. The screen now displays what it's supposed to display. Perfect! The laptop now is working properly. We can now reinstall the LCD lid cover properly. We just need to snap it accordingly. Wow, the laptop now is good as new. Alright guys, so those were the steps on how to replace a broken LCD of a laptop. Just take note that there should always be this what we call the compatibility when it comes to the specification of a replacement LCD that we'll have for your laptop. And also, we should also understand that there are risks in the process of replacing your laptop because it could make or break your laptop. Alright, so just please always take note for the safety of yourself and for the safety of your device. So it's Tutor right here, always saying keep safe, have a great day, and happy 900 plus subscribers. Thank you very much guys for your support for this channel and for me also in our tutorials, and have a great day. Thank you very much.